Hi, Scott doing a MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. All right, so really good color combination on this one with the light gray outside and all the black piping. Just really makes it look good. Flip up transom seats back on the back. Does have the fishing package, and there is a nice aerated live well underneath your leaning post here. JL audio sound system with speakers, Simrad system, digital throttle because it does have the new 200 V6 on it. Fiberglass hardtop, storage up in your hardtop, as well as a nice little dome light up here. Windshield. Moving up to the front, this was ordered pre-rigged for the trolling motor, so adding a trolling motor is really easy on this one. Nice anchor locker with overboard storage or overboard drainage, and really nice fish box. Cover stuffed in here right now, helm cover, but really good size, and really nice Yeti cooler also coming along this one for your forward-facing seating. So really nice boat. We're happy to have this one here in North Texas because it's a really good boat for us here in this market. But if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.